Typhoon Lekima made landfall in the early hours of Saturday in Wenling between Taiwan and China's financial capital, Shanghai, bringing damage from strong winds, heavy rain, and flooding, and even landslide. This damage came quickly, putting business systems at risk. Now, Acronis is dedicated to helping provide the latest news and assistance with updating on not only breaking cyber news, but also keeping you updated on natural disasters that may affect you and your data. With the Acronis Cyber Protect Cloud, your systems can stay backed up and ready for disaster recovery plan, and can get your business systems back up quickly after a disaster.